on the way to pick up the BMW right now. There's so much traffic. I left like 30 minutes ago and it should have only taken me 20 minutes to get there, but we're not even close. I'm really excited to see how the car turned out. It's been kind of weird because today he's like, oh yeah, for sure be done on Friday, blah blah, all this. And then 12 o'clock, 10 o'clock rolls around, I message him, I'm like, hey, when's the car gonna be ready to pick up? Like, I can come pick it up whenever. He's like, we're still doing some stuff on the car, so I'll let you know. I was like, okay, that's kind of weird because I saw what it looked like painted the day before, so I know he wet sanded it, buffed it, polished it, everything. So like that doesn't really take that long if you were already sending me pictures at 10 a.m. yesterday. So I let a couple hours go by, about 12 to 1 o'clock. I messaged him. He's like, yeah, he's like, it should be ready by like 5. I was like, all right. So I went, got the money and everything. Now I'm going up there. I'm going to meet Nora up there. So hopefully everything is good. I really hope everything is good. I know it's a really hard color to paint. It's a 3-stage and everything. It's supposed to be done pretty precise with the top coat over the base coat. So we'll see how it turns out. I mean, I've seen his other work, so I'm trusting him on this. But right now we're in a lot of traffic, so I'll be back when we get there.
What are you thinking?
Bro,
it looks good, eh?
That looks fire.
It looks so good. I love the stands with the lip.
Damn. Oh, damn, they put the lip on too.
Yeah, they put everything.
Damn, so.
Dude, it looks so good. Check it out.
I'm gonna go check this out. Let me put it in park. Damn. What do you think?
Bro, okay, I don't like this color. It's not me. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. But it looks good. I can respect something that looks good. You know what I mean? It's not me, but it looks good.
I love that color.
Dude,
yeah.
And if you love it, this thing's mint.
Yeah.
He also did the trim, like, on point. I mean, this is like the only, like, he looks like he didn't finish it right.
Yeah.
But you know how to do that, right?
Yeah.
So that's not too bad. But the rest of it, open up that door too.
Why?
I wish my door seals were good.
Why?
Damn! It looks so good, dude.
Damn. Bro, that's crazy.
There's also this quarter panel. I mean, this thing.
Clip.
Yeah. We might have to like do some janky stuff and screw that in because I think the quarter panel, like,
yeah.
I think the way you pulled it out, there's no way you can just clip that back in.
Yeah, that's fine.
Rear bumper.
Yeah, they have to cut the tips.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I told them to cut them.
Oh, you actually can. You don't have to take off the rear bumper.
Yeah, for the
rear one.
Little vent. Yeah, I brought it actually. What do you think? You don't like this color, but
There's one problem.
what?
I don't know how you're gonna take it.
He told you?
No, I just saw it.
What?
Open that door and let me know.
Oh shit. This?
Yeah. How do you feel about it?
I didn't tell him to paint the gems.
Yeah, no, I figured you didn't. But that door, they had to remove the door. So
Yeah,
I guess they
so
just
I
painted it anyways, right?
I don't really.
But
I mean, it's kind of hard to. I mean, yeah.
It's just that side's done and this side's not. You know?
Yeah.
So I think you might want to get that done down the road. But as of now, I don't think it's that big of a deal.
Yeah, it's not. I mean.
The white honestly looks good.
Yeah.
In the engine
Oh,
bay,
and the engine bay
it
is
looks
fine.
so pure.
Yeah, it's fine.
Looks good. Something I did notice too, that lip I think is for an actual one.
Oh, we smell it. It's probably burnt.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Because we came up and we smelled it.
That smells like some like crap.
No, that's not catless. That's like burning. Yeah, that's definitely like burning. You can't smell it?
No, yeah, it smells like shit.
It's like. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to tow the car. Well, mainly because of the rear wheel. I don't want to drive it and mess the paint up. But I told them to cut it because this bumper wouldn't fit with the normal 335i exhaust tips. So this part will definitely eat away and melt this really quick. So I really don't want that to happen, obviously. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tow it and then figure out later. And AAA said it's gonna take 90 minutes. And on top of that, can't even start the car because the battery is that dead. So I'm gonna have to get a new battery. Hopefully the suspension isn't that big of a deal, but it's gonna be fun. He was supposed to take me, but he has a paper due, so I'm gonna have to call someone else to come pick me up. I mean, it looks good, so that's all that really matters, right?
I mean, yeah.
All right, so I'll be back when the tow truck gets here. Oh, he's gotta go do a paper.
It'll be like that.
Yeah. So I'm gonna see him later. M3 is here. 335's here. I'm waiting for the tow truck, so sit here. And yeah, should be a fun ride home. At least I get to sit in it. The interior's pretty nice. So Haley just got here to save me, but still waiting on the tow truck. Fortunately. At least it looks good. Damn, it looks really good. Tow truck's finally here. Should be interesting getting this on. So we're gonna get this loaded. Should be interesting.
Well, no tow today.
So they ended up not being able to tow my car. They said it was too low, which it's really not. It's not low at all. Like, I drove it here, I didn't scrape on anything, didn't scrape on any inclines. Their shop is really tilted. They took it out the shop just fine, so pretty pissed off because they said that they're gonna have to go back, and I'll have to call tomorrow after I take the bumper off or whatever. So I'm thinking if I should just drop the mufflers and drive the car myself with the wheel messed up. That is a risk, messing up the paint and the rear bumper, which are both new. So I'll probably just get it towed and then find a shop. Nora told me to go to Les Schwab, check the suspension, make sure everything's good on it, and if there's something that isn't good, I'll buy that and get that swapped out. So be back tomorrow with another update.